Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you type a website address and press enter? You open your browser, type www.xyz.com and hit enter. In that instant, an HTTPS request is born. Its goal is to reach the application running inside a Kubernetes pod and come back with your page. But first, a problem is your browser has no idea where www.xyz.com actually lives. So it asks DNS. In our case, Amazon Route 53. Route 53 looks through its records, finds the entry for www.xyz.com and returns the address of our application load balancer. Now the request knows exactly where to go. The request hops across the internet, router to router, until it reaches the application load balancer, the main entry point to our infrastructure. Every incoming request arrives here first. Before anything else happens, the connection is secured, the SSL certificate is presented, the TLS handshake completes, and the lock closes. From this point on, the communication is encrypted. Now it's ready to enter the Kubernetes environment. Inside our Amazon EKS cluster, the request meets the Ingress controller, nothing but the traffic director. The cluster runs many applications, so the Ingress checks its routing rules first. The host name, it's a match. Then the URL path, it's a match. The rule point to one destination where the web service and the request is routed on. In the next stop, the Kubernetes service, a stable entry point in front of our pods. The service don't process the request itself. Its job is to distribute traffic across all healthy pods. Three pods are running, all passing their health checks. Today, the request is forwarded to pod number 2. And here, the real work happens. Inside the pod, the application takes over. It validates the username and password, reaches out to the database to fetch account data, reads the sessions from the cache, and builds the response. The answer is ready. Now, the whole journey runs in reverse. The response travels from the pod back through the service, the ingress, and the load balancer, all the way to your browser, which renders the page. From your perspective, it felt instant, but behind the scenes, many systems worked together. But what happens when thousands of users arrive at once? Kubernetes is watching, CPU and memory climb, and when they cross the threshold, the horizontal pod autoscaler steps in, spinning up new pods automatically. They pass their health checks and join the pool. No application changes, same URL, and when the demand drops, the extra pods are removed and the cluster scales back down. So that's the entire journey. Browser, DNS, load balancer, ingress, service, pod, and back. All of it typically in under a second. Millions of requests, millions of times a day. Secure, scalable, and reliable. This is how modern application on Kubernetes serve the world. If you like the video, hit the like button and share across with your friends, people who are in need. Make sure you subscribe for more such content and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much.